Namaskar, my dear students. Welcome back to Goenka Maths Study, my dear sons. Once again, I am present before you with the sphere, and in this video, we read about the CSA, TSA of sphere. Okay, my dear sons, please subscribe, like, and share, friends. Okay, okay, my dear sons, look and move to the main point. Okay, as I tell you before that in this video I read surface area because the curved surface area and total surface area of sphere are always same. Okay, then now sphere. What is sphere? Sphere is a solid figure. Look about the definition of sphere. A sphere is a solid figure made up of set of all those points in space which are equidistant from a fixed point. Similarly, the definition of circle. Okay, there I think there is no problem to learn it and to understand it. The fixed point is called the center of the sphere, and the diameter of a sphere is a line segment passing through the center of the sphere with its end of the sphere. Okay. Now, surface area of sphere. That is the formula to find the surface area of a sphere, and the surface area of a sphere equals to 4 pi r square. And now hemisphere. Now, as hemisphere has a cylindrical base and surface, so here there are difference between surface area and total surface area. It means curved surface area and total surface area are different of the hemisphere. Okay. Now look, surface area of a hemisphere. Surface area of a hemisphere. So you look here. Curved surface area of a hemisphere equals to 2 pi r, just half of sphere. But when we cut any ball, then we get there is the one face is circular. Okay. Then in the condition of total surface area, we get the CSA plus area of base. And the area of base, because the base of the hemisphere is in the form of circular, so area of base means circle, pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Okay. Now, we read there are some examples to clear the surface area and curved surface area and total surface area of sphere and hemisphere. Okay. Example number 13.1. Find the surface area of a sphere. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 4 centimeter and the process of solution. What is the process of solution? Then you look here. Radius of a sphere r equals to 14 centimeter. So the surface area of a sphere equals to 4 pi r square, and put the value of pi and also the r. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Okay, so by solving this, 7 2 is 14. After multiplying 14 multiply 2 multiply 22 multiply 4, you get the answer 2464. It is the surface area of a sphere. Now, example number 2. Find the curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere for which shape it is hemisphere with radius 7 centimeter. So we know that in the last screen surface area, curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now look here, 2 pi r square and also the 3 pi r square. So put the value of pi and also the value of r, and after solving you get, now look here, 7 to 7 cut हो जाएगा and 22 into 2 multiply by 7 you get 308, and similarly in the total surface area 7 to 7 cut and multiply by 3 into 22 into 7 you get this answer. Okay, next question. Question number 3rd, example number 3rd है, the surface area of a sphere is 576 centimeter. In this question you have given the condition which has formula. Okay, there is surface area is given. Surface area is given. Okay, now look here, surface area 576 pi centimeter square. Find its radius. Find its radius. Look here, we know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi square, 4 pi r square, but you are given the value of surface area of sphere is 576. So put the value of 576 pi and with comparing to this their formula 4 pi r square, and now look here, you pi to pi cut and 4 to 576, 576 cut by 4 to the 144 times, and after substituting the square we get the square root of 144, and the square root of 144 is 112 centimeter. Okay, next question. The largest possible sphere is curved out from a solid cube of 40 centimeter. Find the surface area of a sphere. Very simple question. Largest possible sphere. Largest possible sphere curved out of a solid cube. So we get the edge of cube is called the diameter of the sphere, and we get the side of the cube is 40 centimeter. So diameter of a sphere is 40 centimeter. Okay, largest sphere, largest touch to the upper and bottom also. Okay, so the radius of a sphere is 20 meter, and put the formula of surface area of a sphere which is 4 pi r square, and put the value of pi 3.14 and r also 20 square, and after multiplying you get this. Okay, next example is present on your screen. The hollow sphere in which the circus motorist performs its stunts has a diameter 14 meter. Find the area available the motorist of riding. Okay, diameter is 14, radius is 7, and surface area is 4 pi r square. Very simple question. There is no problem. I think you already visit any circus. Okay, so this question will be clear. And in the circus there is a circular format and artist writing वगैरह. Next example, it is a good example. Okay, assuming the earth to be a sphere of radius 6370 km, how many square kilometers is area of land if 3/4 of the earth's surface area is curved by water? Okay, curved by water. Now here radius is 6370 kilometer. Okay, so there is no need to change kilometer in the format of meter. Okay, because we get the answer in the terms of kilometer. So surface area will be called kilometer square. Okay, there is no problem. Area of water. What is the area of water? 3 upon 4th of the surface area of the earth, and we know that the earth is called in the form of sphere, not circular, in the form of sphere. Okay, so surface area of the earth minus area of water. Okay, because surface area is covered by water. It is to found in this question how many square kilometer is area of land. What is the area of the land? So area of the, because we know that the area fourth 3/4 of the water of the area of the surface. Okay. So 1/4 of the area of the earth. So 1/4 surface area of earth 4 pi r square, 4 cut by 4 to 1 times. So you get only 5 pi r square and put the value of pi and also the r, and you get this answer after multiplying. Next example, example number 9. Approximately, I think it is 8. Okay. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. Look here, it is the figure of this question, and at this type question mostly come in the class 10th. We have combined figures. So this question will help you to understand and also to identify the in the board class 10 next year. So that is important question for the board class in the next year. Okay, so it is required to understand this question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted. Okay, this it is cone mounted on hemisphere. Hemisphere. This. Okay, hemisphere. Clear? So we here in this question, we see in this question the base of the cone and base of hemisphere are same. Base of cone and base of hemisphere are same. Okay. So radius of hemisphere and radius of cone. Radius of hemisphere and radius of cone are same. So radius of hemisphere equals to and radius of cone equals to 3.5. I write here. Okay. The total height of the toy. Look, the total height of the toy is 15.5, and you know that it is also the radius 3.5. So height of the cone, only the conical portion height, h equals to 12 centimeter. Okay. Find the total surface area of the toy. Here, total surface area about to the toy, not cone, not hemisphere, and you look the surfaces of cone only CSA, and also the hemisphere is the CSA. Okay. And the total of CSA of cone and hemisphere is called the total surface area of the toy. Okay. So first you will have to find the L, slant height of the cone, because CSA of cone is called pi r L, where L is slant height, and They are not given in this question slant height. So first you have to find slant height. Okay. So we know that the formula of slant height L equals to square root r square plus h square, and put the value of r square plus h square, you get the slant height of the cone, which is 12.5. Okay, 12.5 centimeter is the slant height of the cone. CSA of cone pi r L. Put the value of r and also L. CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Put the value of r, and total surface area of cone. Add the CSA of cone and the CSA of hemisphere. Okay, it is clear. Last, I think it is the last example. Hemispherical dome of a stupa needs to be painted. Hemispherical domes. You look many other temples, Jagardhan temples, and also there are also another temples. It is a dome, which is called in the hemispherical. Okay, if the circumference of the base of the dome is this meter, okay, the circumference बोले तो 2 pi r, okay, means 2 pi r. Find the cost of the painting. So first you will have to get the surface area. What will you have to get? Surface area, and CSA equals to this. CSA means 2 pi r, and compare it with the 2 pi r and put the value of pi, you get the value of r, which is 2.8. Okay, after solving this, clear now? Here 7 to multiply and 2 into 22, both are in the form of division. Okay, so CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere equals to 2 pi r square, and put the value of r. After, you will have to given in this question, you have to in this question is rate of the painting, which is 100 rupee per square meter. So you get the cost of the painting, CSA, and the rate of the painting, which is 100 rupee per meter square, and multiply by 100 to the 49.28. It is the answer. Okay, next question, it is in your screen, on the screen. Question number 11. Surface area of a sphere of radius 5 cm is 5 times the area of the curved surface area of the cone of radius 4 cm. Understand the question? Read once again. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. Okay. Surface area of a sphere of radius 5. Now, for some time, skip it. Okay, let's skip. 5 times, 5 times area of the curved surface of the cone. Look here. According to my pen, surface area of sphere equals to 5 into surface area of cone. So put the formula of the both formats. 4 pi r square equals to 5 into pi r1 L, because there are radiuses are different, so it is called r1. Cut pi to pi. Okay, 4 into r square, 5 into r1 into L. Put the value of r, which is called the surface area charge, which is given 5 meter, and r1 is also given 4. First you will have to get find L. Okay, and now L equals to 5 centimeter. Find the height, and we know that the formula of L, here relation between L, R and H is L square equals to R square plus H square. Okay, so put the value of L, R and also H. थैंक यू। सभी भैयाओं का नमस्कार। जय हिंद, जय भारत। सभी भैया बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हमारी वीडियो को देखे। आई लाइक इट एंड कंटिन्यू टू बी द गोइंग का मैथ्स स्टडी माय लवली बॉयज।